Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see another composer tutorial and I'm going to show you autoload files using Classmap method. So let's get started with today's video. So let me show you composer.json file. So here you can see autoload is blank as of now, and if I'll show you index file, so I have vendor and this vendor autoload.php file is included. So this you can get using composer update. After that some echo is there. So after that you can see vegetable class is initiated, and if I'll show you class, so here you can see it's two variable are there, constructor is there and two functions are there. So here in constructor you can see two parameters are there, and is edible we are passing returning that edible variable, and in color we are returning color variable. So here you can see with the new vegetable I'm passing two parameters so that constructor will work, and after that is edible I'm calling. So this will return that vegetable is edible or not, and I have printed that. So now let me show you in browser. So here you can see now class vegetable error is there as of now because I know where I have included that, not in composer and not in file as well. So now let's autoload this in composer. So write class map, and this will be array, and write src slash index2.php complete path. So now let's run command composer dump autoload. So this will generate autoload files. Now let's go and check in browser, and if you want you can also do composer update as well. So let me do that. So now here you can see brinjal is coming. So as of now true and false I have not passed, I have passed vegetable name in that. Now let's echo one br in between because it's coming in same line. So now let's go and again check refresh. So now you can see brinjal is coming. So now index2.php file is loaded, and it's calling function as well, and it's returning the values. So now let's call second function as well. So just copy and paste this. So this will be get color. So now let's see. So it's printing purple now. So now let's just load src folder, complete folder. So it will take whichever class inside this folder, it will map all those classes. So now let's dump autoload and again write composer update. So now let me open another file that is helpers, but inside that I am having one class spinach. So now let's create similar way object of class spinach and call its function. So spinach you can see it extends vegetable, and you can see parent it's calling from here as well true and green, and function is cook. So now let's clear the object as it doesn't require any parameter, change the variable, and now function is cooked and is cooked. So now let's call cook. So this will be spinach object, and let's say test2 print that. So now let's clear the console, and after that run command composer dump autoload. Now let's again clear the terminal. So now let's run more time composer update, and now let's check in browser. So here as of now no error is coming that spinach this test2 is not visible. So if we will go here you can see, so it will be printing true, so that's the reason it's not showing up there. Oh, so now let me see calling this function is cooked, and let's check in browser, it's still not displaying. So let me just pass true as of now as string to just display you that it's working this spinach class. So let me pass it as a string, and in cook as well. Now let's see and refresh, still it's not coming. Okay, this is calling is cooked. Okay, above one false also in string. So now let's refresh. So now you can see it's coming as false. So you can see now that I have not loaded spinach and vegetable class anywhere. It is just auto loaded with class map. So that's all in this video. So I hope you get a clarity of how class map is working. Class map will map it as a class name only, And if you have namespace, then you can use psr4. So that we will be discussing in upcoming videos. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.